The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hood County in north central Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oak Trail Shores, or near Granbury, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Granbury and Oak Trail Shores around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Mambrino, Toller, Lake Granbury, Acton, Stockton Bend, Waples, Decadova, and Crescent. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Somervell County in north central Texas, northwestern Johnson County in north central Texas, northeastern Hood County in north central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pecan Plantation, or near Granbury, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pecan Plantation around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Mambrino, Lake Granbury, Acton, Stockton Bend, Waples, Decadova, Crescent, and Nemo. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.